Hey everyone, today we are taking a look at the wegear Cherry PIXIU98 keyboard. Let's open up the box and see how it works. Pre-orders for this keyboard have already started and sales are officially on now. Here's all the instructions. One of the accessories. That. Here's the USB-C cable. This helps you take off the keys and switch them out. And here is the keyboard itself. And so yeah, let's go test this out and see how it works. Whether you're a competitive gamer, a creative professional, or just appreciate satisfying typing, then this board might just be your next obsession. This keyboard is a collaboration that combines Cherry's professional switch technology with wegear's high-performance design. First off, it has a compact 95 key layout, which means you get all the essential keys in a space-saving design that doesn't compromise usability. The case is built with durable ABS material as well, giving it a solid and durable feel. It also has a smart display with a knob that is fully customizable, letting you control brightness, media, or even switch profiles on the fly. Its performance is unbeatable, with its 8K Hz polling rate when in wired mode, and a 4K Hz polling rate when used wireless, giving you ultra-fast response time with less than 0.3 milliseconds of latency. So this is perfect for esports or those who need a fast device. And visually, it looks great. You get per key chroma RGB lighting with full customization. So whether you want a subtle backlight for late night editing or a full-on rainbow wave for your gaming setup, it's all in here. The lighting is vibrant, smooth, and fully programmable, so you can give personality to your board. The keyboard has red switches, so if you want a keyboard with better sound and better key feedback, then you can buy the brown switch versions. The keyboard also features pudding keycaps and Cherry MX2A red switches, which are known for their smooth actuation and long lifespan. But these ones are hot swappable, so you can easily swap in your favorite 3-pin or 5-pin mechanical switches without needing to solder. They include multi-layered sound dampening with pour-on foam pads, IXPE switch pads, and silicone bottom pads, so typing on them feels smooth and tactile. And the board is built for flexibility. You've got 3 connection modes with Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz wireless with the included dongle, and connecting wired by USB-C. So whether you're gaming on your PC, editing on your Mac, or switching between different devices, this keyboard can handle it all. And the battery life is solid as well. It has a 4,000 milliamp rechargeable battery, giving you days of wireless use with RGB on and even longer battery life with it off. And when you download the Cherry utility software, you can customize a variety of features such as remapping the keys, programming macros, and fine-tune your lighting and knob functions. It's intuitive and perfect for streamlining your workflow or optimizing your gaming setup. So if you want premium build quality, customization, and multi-device support, then you need to check out the wegear PIXIU98 keyboard today. You can purchase this keyboard in the link below for the low price of $159.99, and there won't be any lower prices in the future.